50. I feel so good after doing, okay. There we go. Okay, now let's try this again. It's me, Queen C. No, okay. Easier, so I'm filming.
Okay.
Hey my reals, it's me, Queen C, and welcome to another video. Today I'll be showing you guys how to meditate, be relaxed, and be productive with a couple of hacks and tips. But if you're new here, make sure you hashtag join the queen by subscribing to my channel, because we all can be royal too. And also make sure you follow my social medias, Instagram and Twitter at Ciara Queen, and Musically and Snapchat at Lily Star for life. It's also down below. And you know what else is also down below? Links to my equipment, links to all that good stuff. You know, it's all down below. If you want a shout out in next week's video, make sure you comment down below hashtag royal or hashtag royalty, and also answer the question in the eye in the corner telling me, do you like glow in the dark fish or not? Just random questions. Last week's shoutouts goes to this person right here, and that's enough for the intro. So without further ado, let's get into the video. So first I learned okay, this is like the cute tumbler way to do it, but you can get like a little bucket, get popsicle sticks and write something like do 10 push-ups or go for a walk. Just a short goal that you could do, and then you can randomly pick one day and like, ooh, yes, I like that one. But make sure it's something that's not too unreasonable, like a walk 5 miles or something. I don't even know if that's a lot, but 49, 50. Ooh. Ooh. Got those nice strong abs coming in. I'm so excited for tomorrow. Feel so pumped. Woo. Take water bottle of the day. Ooh. Feel so hydrated. You could do stuff like eat a certain calories in the day, or go vegan for the day, or no meat for the day, no dairy, just whatever, and just pick it randomly. Or another non-tumbler way to do it is just get a bowl, get a couple pieces of paper, fold them up, and just unwrap one every day. You can do it for the month, the year, the week, whatever you want. And I love this one. It's really helpful. I never want to see you again. Don't cave. You're better than this. Stay strong. Oh, get it. Don't cave. Reward yourself at least like 2-3 times a week, and this will really help you feel more confident and really feel like, oh, I'm doing so good. I can't wait to see what I'm gonna get next week. Like, okay, I went vegan all week. I'm gonna have myself some macaroni and cheese and some steak and some eggs. Just like, you reward yourself with those little things, but don't do it too often where you're missing out on the important things and only skipping through that and going straight to the treats. This one I feel like will be helpful for so many people, especially for me too. Like if you're outside jogging or walking or out in a park or something and having a not having a picnic, but you're just out and about doing your thing with nature, you're just jogging or whatever, you're at the swimming pool or whatever, I suggest packing an emergency snack because you won't give in to your cravings. Like, so hungry, but so a Starbucks somewhere, right? Yeah. Oh, nuts. Like, I'm so hungry. Well, McDonald's is just right down the street, honey. That's such a good idea. Yeah, let's go. But instead, you can be like, I'm so hungry. Well, didn't you pack yourself an apple, some applesauce, some apple juice? Didn't you pack yourself all of that? You can just eat that. Oh, thanks. Make sure it's something really good and healthy. And yeah, life hack, check. Okay, I said take a day, but you can take 5 minutes, 15 minutes, 2 minutes to self-motivate yourself. Today's gonna be a good day, nice outfit on, I'm gonna be productive, I'm going to work hard. You know, I made myself a list too of everything to say in this video. I'm gonna be so successful and I'm so happy. Okay. 10 jumping jacks, let's go. Basically, just give yourself a little pep talk.
It's okay, right? I'm cute, I'm smart, I can get any guy I want, right?
And just, you know, even if you're starting the day on the wrong side of the bed, even though I have a day bed and it's pushed all the way to the wall so only you can wake up on one side, but if you are, you could just self-motivate yourself and get yourself in a great mood, honey. Most people think this is so hard, but I honestly think it's so easy, and you can meditate or do yoga, but meditating is easier, so. Bye, Felicia, I really gotta go. I'm going to meditate since I forgot to get my yoga clothes. Okay, bye, Felicia. Neat. Bye, y'all. And Carol, don't forget to bring the chili to the Super Bowl. Use this app called Calm, and it has music for you, and it has meditation for all different types, focus, anxiety, sleep, happiness, and it's just like you could pick how long you want it, 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes, 20 minutes, and I love this app, and I use it every night when I go to bed. I put it in, and then I'm just relaxing, winding down, playing some video games, and then I go and then I put some music on when I'm going to bed. It's just a nice way to go to bed without all the stress on your shoulders. Make yourself a vision board. Yes, I love doing this. Just get some old magazines, cut, paste. It's so creative. You do it for the month, wasting paper, but you can do it for the year. Great idea. The week, that's just ridiculous. But you do whatever you want because it's your money and your paper. Vision boards are a great way so you can like put your creativity and you can just hang it up everywhere you go. Hope you guys enjoyed these life hacks. Like I said in the beginning, if you want a shout out in next week's video, make sure you comment #royal or #royalty. If you are new to my channel, then go ahead and subscribe so you can be a part of my kingdom, because we love it over here. Hope you guys enjoyed this video and love you guys. Bye.